We've been talking about this enhanced tropical moisture for the past few days here, but all it really means is a little more activity on the radar. We'll see a few more spotty showers in the morning hours and then a little more widespread coverage heading into the afternoon and evening. And that's what we're seeing this morning, that moisture already moving into the East Coast. You can see where it's coming from. There's a trough of low pressure over the Bahamas right now funneling in that tropical moisture. We are not expecting tropical development, especially before this area of low pressure essentially impacts us, which is today. A 0% chance of tropical development in the next 48 hours. There's a very low chance that as that trough of low pressure turns and heads back out into the Atlantic in the next 5 days, we could see development, but that chance is only 20%, so that is still a low end threat. So we really don't expect tropical development, but yes, it is tropical moisture that brings us that enhanced rain chance and the enhanced cloud cover today. For this morning, we're mainly dry, just a couple of these spotty showers, one south of Palmdale that's moving so quickly it's hard to even keep it in frame. It's also starting to lose a little bit of intensity, so that moderately heavy rain backing off to light rain. We also see another area of light rain pushing into Hendry County from Palm Beach County. This is tracking further east, but is fairly light rain. So we'll continue to see that through the morning hours, through your morning commute. It won't be completely dry, but we don't expect widespread rain this morning. See, the predictor shows the increasing clouds, but by this afternoon, the coverage does bump up a little bit. The chance for rain today, 50 to about 60%. So that gives you a better idea of what we're looking at coverage-wise compared to the 20% rain chance we've seen the past few days. Predictor does show pockets of heavy rain, and we could have a little thunderstorm activity as well, but the primary threat today is just going to be locally heavy rain as these showers develop. You see overnight into tomorrow morning, a few lingering showers, but for the most part we clear out. How much rain are we expecting? Well, it's hit or miss. It's still not a complete widespread rain event, but you can see near the coast maybe 3-4 tenths of an inch all we're looking at. So pockets of heavy rain, yes, maybe some localized ponding on the roadways, but we're not expecting this to be a major rain event. Just a little widespread coverage, a little more of widespread coverage compared to what we've seen the past few days. This morning is very warm and muggy, though. You see our temperatures are in the 70s across the area. Our dew points also near 70 across the area, so it is warm and muggy from the start. The wind speed is going to back off a little bit compared to yesterday's 10 to 20, but the wind predictor shows a change in wind direction. So this morning out of the northeast, it'll transition to more of a southwesterly flow, and that's going to keep our conditions pretty humid, but a 5 to about 15 mile per hour wind, all we're expecting today with those scattered showers and a few thunderstorms. So we're mainly dry in the morning, but a few isolated areas of rain can't be ruled out. Then after 10 or 11 is when we'll see those scattered showers off and on through this afternoon and evening, quieting down overnight. Not a complete washout. We'll have plenty of dry hours, but the chance is high enough that you'll want to keep the umbrella on you. Because of the increased cloud cover and rain chance, we are going to see temperatures slightly cooler today. It's so muggy, though, I don't think it's going to feel more comfortable. 82 the forecast high in Arcadia, 83 in LaBelle and Bokeelia, 86 in Ave Maria. If you're heading out on the boat, wind is just 5 to 10 knots, offshore seas just 2 feet or less, but because we could see a few spotty thunderstorms out there, still smart to use caution in your Ingman Marine boating forecast. From here, that tropical moisture does move on, but with that southwest flow of wind, we're going to continue to see that spotty rain chance. So we're not dropping the rain chance out, but it is going to be a lot more isolated moving into the weekend and primarily inland thanks to wind out of the south and west. But you see temperatures climb right back up, highs near 90 heading into Saturday, Sunday.